In this video, we'll walk through the process of setting up an Untitled ID tag on your custom-developed site. This tutorial covers a generic paste of JavaScript code in the header of your website's HTML and is best if you haven't found one of our other tutorials specifically for your website content management system. There are 3 main steps that you need to complete. First, turn on the cookie consent bar on your site. Second, update the privacy policy on your site to include information about the Untitled ID tag. Third, generate some JavaScript code within Untitled that you will copy and paste into your site. Get started within your Untitled account. Click Create Tag and give this tag a descriptive name. For example, Untitled e-commerce store, and click Continue. This pop-up shares some information about the cookie and privacy policy that you'll need to adhere to use the ID tag. Review this information and ensure that your website has cookie consent enabled. You can use this default privacy policy that we've already created. This will inform your website visitors about how the Untitled ID tag works. Click Copy and paste into your website's privacy policy page. After completing those steps, return to your Untitled account and scroll down and agree that you have the appropriate cookie consent system and privacy policies in place. Now, you can create your tag code. You need to place this line of code in the header of your website so it will work every time a page loads. Select this entire line, including the greater than and less than signs on either end. Right-click and copy. Within the HTML of your website, find the site-wide header, paste your tag code below the opening header tag, push your update live, and that's it. You can return to your Untitled account and click View Tags and see that your tag is live. It will take up to an hour for your Untitled ID tag to start resolving or identifying visitors to your website. Remember that the tag will only identify up to 50% of your website visitors. Since we can't identify everyone, you may visit your website as a test and not see your own email pop up in your visitor table. Once your tag has started collecting resolutions, you can view the visitor table and see the email addresses, names, and information about your website visitors, which will update about every 15 minutes. Once some visitors have been identified or resolved in your Untitled dashboard, you can connect your existing marketing tools like Klaviyo, MailChimp, or Facebook in the Destinations page. You can also filter your visitors by their demographic information and their on-site behavior to build even more targeted marketing audiences to use in your campaigns.